Okay, I'm now going to talk about question 10 in exercise 7C. First of all, copy the question first. 3y minus x is equal to 24. 5x plus 6y is equal to negative 15. Again, I give the name of this one first equation, this one second equation. In this equation, you can see that both of the equation do not have a subject. This one, is not the subject of x or y, this one also. So we need to change the subject. That is what you have learned in, I think, chapter 3, right? For example, I can see that, this one I have a negative x here. The coefficient is 1, right? For this one, 3y, this one 5x, this one 6y. So this one will be more easy to change subject because the coefficient is negative 1. Just like 1, right? So we do not need to divide something later on. You will see it. So I'm now going to teach you how to do. So when we want to use this equation, we can write down as this way. That is from 1. That means from this equation, we have what? For example, you may just copy down the question if you are a beginner. And then we want to put x on one side. That means, for example, 3y minus 24 is x, right? And then usually we want to put the subject on left hand side, so x is equal to 3y minus 24. So now this formats, this equation, we can have x to become the subject, right? So we can call it a new equation. For example, give you the name, this equation 3. So then we can do back the same thing, that is substitute the equation into the 2. But remember, we cannot substitute to 1. We cannot, only 2. Why? Because this equation 3, this one, is from 1. The equation 3 in fact is the same as the equation 1. So if you substitute into 1, then you do not get any answer. You may get something just like 0 is equal to 0. Understand? You can only substitute the equation into another equation. That is equation 2. So write down sub equation 3 into equation 2. Again, the x is here. That means we put the x become the whole 3y minus 3y minus 24. That's 5 times 3y minus 24. This one is x. And then plus, or the later on, just copy the later on, plus 6y is equal to negative 15. So now we have only the y become the unknown, right? The y, okay? And then we can simplify. Removing bracket, this one minus 1 to 0, this one 6y. Okay? Put the y together, the number on the other side there is 105. So y is equal to 5. Okay? Then we should, substitute y is equal to 5 into any one of the equation, 1, 2, or 3. But usually, if you change any one of the equation becomes equation 3, usually the equation 3 will be easier because the x is already become the subject. Usually the 3 will be easier, usually. So x is equal to, the y become 5, that means 3 times 5 minus 24. So x is equal to 15 minus 24, that is negative 9. Okay, then we are finished. So, okay. Therefore, the solution is x is equal to negative 9 and y is equal to 5. Finish.